What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to another ATD video. No, just kidding. Imagine if we actually did our intros like that. Would probably be the worst YouTube channel ever. Anyway, what we're doing, I like this camera angle. I'm gonna make this, I should say me, because Jared's not here. It's the middle of the week, and I was like, you know what? I want to make a video because I got off work early today, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna make a video. So I went shopping, bought some things. Not the Cheetos. Ignore the Cheetos. I bought those 2 days ago. Check out this bag. Got some socks for work. You know, need the socks. Put those over there. I got a bunch of things. If I can hold everything right. I've got USB extension cable because I got lazy. It is a 12-foot. Or no, 6-foot right there. I bought 2 of these. There. They got a little micro USB cable that goes into this. And then we got a little car charger to power it. Alright, okay. Moving along. Just trying to get the last one out here. There we go. Ugh. See, another 6-foot USB extension cable. So I've got 2 of these in case I needed 2. I don't know. I just decided to be safe. You know, why not? Get 2. They're only, I can't remember how much they were. Doesn't matter. What I want to do is run it from my dash down here, all the way up, over here, and into that. So when I'm driving, I don't know where I'm going, I can put my phone in there, plug in my music, and charge at the same time, you know, because iPhones, you know, only got that one port life. So yeah, so we can have some charge while we listen to some music. Okay, first things first, right? Gotta take my dash off. I unplugged my aux cord. Move my seat back. Apparently I can't sit in my seat and move it back at the same time, so I've got so much leg room. Can't even go full throttle. Okay, so we're just gonna give it a little tug. I'm gonna start over here in this corner. Sorry if I don't show you guys some good angles. Pulling my dash apart isn't a one-handed job, but I'll do it anyway. Okay, she loose. Now, I might have to put you guys down to do this. So I'm gonna have to put my car in. Where'd my keys go? I threw them over here somewhere. Oh boy. Oh, wait, I think I'm sitting on them. I am. Shift her down into first gear. Just put my parking brake on, right? Ooh, that's gonna be annoying, the beeper. Okay, I'll do this quick. I'm gonna cut real quick because this is gonna be annoying for you guys. Okay, dashboard is as much out of the way as it can be because I don't want to take off my my fancy little wires there. But yeah, got the dash taken off, and you can see my plan. You can kind of look down there. You can see a bit of light. Maybe not on this camera, but you can see the light shining through right there. I can run a wire from that all the way up here. Up here maybe not up here, but I can go down, across here, and then up right here, and then come out maybe a little hole, let a little stick out here or something, and then plug right into my car charger. So I'm gonna open up the USB cables and see what my plan's gonna be. Okay, I've done a little bit of unboxing. I've opened the car charger piece. So my plan is to stick it right here. If I can get you guys there, right here. Oh god, good morning. Un momento. Okay, right here. Plug this John in right there. That turns blue. How fancy. And then take this USB to USB-A. I think that's what it's called, USB to USB-A. Okay, sorry, I had to unravel it. This USB, we go and plug it in. Right here. it's always the opposite direction, you know. Plug that in there. And I'm gonna run it through this hole that's here. I think that was for the cigarette lighter. You know, back in the day. Don't pull it back out, goddammit. Okay. We've I say we, Elliot. I was making a short little Elliot appeared out of nowhere.
Don't mind the douche glasses.
It's alright. The douche glasses are
to see.
Cool. I decided to I found a little hole back there where my radio is. So I just had Elliot run that for me. He got shocked once, that's all. Alright, so now I'm gonna run this through my dash and somewhere up there. Alrighty, so last time Elliot was here, Elliot is now gone, but we have, let me grab my phone to show you guys. Ran the wire up under my radio. It's kind of hard to see in there. Right there. It runs up through that little hole. Comes up here. Runs along the bottom. You can kind of see what's going on. Let me get the light down. I run it over here along the steering column. And then here's the USB-A thingy. I don't know what it's called. I don't know if it's called USB-A or B or whatever. I forget the names of it. But and then I've got this sticking there. So I'm going to slap my phone in here. Turn my light off. I'm going to click it in. And then I'm going to plug this in right here. And let's see if this freaking works. It's kind of hard to plug in the USB one-handed, by the way. But here we go. Wait for it. Hey, look at that. Mason's iPhone 8 Plus is charging. Take it off. Phone wakes up. Never mind, phone doesn't wake up. I stick this on. Look at that. Charging. It's freaking sweet, dude. Heck yeah. Freaking sweet, dude. That's gonna be a meme. I hope not. But so I gotta figure out where I'm gonna stuff all these cables. I think I might just stuff them in right here, maybe. Turns out I only needed one USB extension cable, so you know there's that. But yeah, I'm gonna stuff my dash. I'm hoping I can just kind of stick this like that. If not, maybe I'll cut a groove into that to make it fit flush. But I'm gonna wrestle my dash around, plug some stuff back in, and see if I can't get this to line up. I might have to cut this part just a bit, just to make it look nice. Like that, we've got some PC chumps. I don't know how to make this thing focus, but yeah. Alright, so I'm going to put my dash back. I'm going to not put it all the way back on, but I'm going to kind of figure out what I need to do wire-wise. So, yeah, I'm going to do that real quick. We've got a dilemma on our hands here. A little switch that was in my dash. I went and put this, I went to go throw my dash back up, and I had to turn my key on to move my shift lever down into first gear to put my dash on. And I noticed the CD was playing instead of it not playing. And I noticed this wire came unsoldered from the little point. And I gotta resolder this back on, so that'll be fun. Alrighty, threw my dash back up, fixed my little switch. This time it's upside down, so it's kind of unfortunate, but oh well. Still got to plug in my 4-wheel drive switch. But if I plug my phone in, it starts charging just like that. So, and I didn't have to cut any holes. It just fit, snuck right between there, right where the clip goes in. So it's not going anywhere. So I'm happy with that. So yeah, thanks for watching this quick little video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go eat dinner. I've been out here for a few minutes trying to, I'll say a few minutes, probably about a few hours. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.